Welcome to our channel where we make managing your Verizon account simple and fast. Welcome to our channel where we make managing your Verizon account simple and fast. Logging into your Verizon account is a straightforward process that gives you access to manage your services conveniently from anywhere. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Verizon website. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will take you to the login page, where you need to enter your credentials. If you already have a Verizon user ID, simply type it into the user ID field, making sure to enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Then, enter your password into the password field. Ensure your password is correct, as it is case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, no worries, just click on the Forgot Password link below the password box and follow the instructions to reset it. After entering both your user ID and password, double-check for accuracy and click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Verizon account dashboard. From here, you can view your bills, manage your plan, check data usage, and more. If you are a new user and do not have a Verizon account, yet you can easily create one by clicking on the Register or Create Account link on the login page. Follow the prompts to set up your user profile, including your email address, phone number, and desired password. Remember to verify your email address after registration to activate your account. For enhanced security. For additional convenience, consider downloading the Verizon app on your smartphone. It provides quick access to your account with a fingerprint or face recognition login, depending on your device. This app also keeps you updated on your services and offers customer support options right at your fingertips. Logging in securely also means being mindful of public networks. Avoid logging into your Verizon account over unsecured Wi-Fi connections to protect your personal information. Finally, if you encounter any problems during login, Verizon offers a support section as well as live chat and phone support, which can quickly assist you. Now that you know the quick and easy steps to log into your Verizon account, managing your Verizon services will be more efficient and secure. Don't forget to keep your login details private and update your password regularly to maintain account security at its best. Channel to people, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more useful guides and tech tips.